Okay, writers, let's take a look at our writing coach and her work and see what she did for her All About book and what ideas she tried. So this is a page from her book, and it looks like at the top, you see it says toppings. She tried to do a chapter. She's going to do chapters in her book all about ice cream. What a great idea. She has some labels there for the sprinkles and the chocolate syrup. And then she has a speech bubble. So the person saying yum, that's a really good thing because that's probably what that person's going to say if they have some ice cream in front of them. And then she tried that question answer box. Do you see it? There's a Q and then an A. The question is, what kind of sprinkles are there? That's a question your reader might have if you're reading about toppings. And then she answered the question to give the reader more information. Rainbows or chocolate? So what kind of sprinkles are there? Rainbow or chocolate? Very cool. I like that she used the question answer idea. I might try that with my book about yoga. Look at the bottom. Do you see that burst like starish shape there? Inside that there's just a question for the reader. So she was thinking, what would the reader might be thinking about when they read this page? And I'm going to ask them a question to think more about it. And she asked, what is your favorite? So she's asking the reader to think about their favorite topping, just to think about that while they're reading. Oh, that's a great idea too. Are you getting some good ideas for your books today? I hope so. I'd love for you to also look at some nonfiction books at your house and see what ideas those writers had for their books and gather up some ideas and get them ready for tomorrow's writing time. So I'll see you back here tomorrow for some writing.